Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael and you join me today on this beautiful morning in August. And we have a little bit of a party because the Volvo passed its MOT. And that's good news because the Volvo is now 30 years old, so it will have an MOT for 2 years. So yay, party! Also, we have an interesting job today because we are replacing the water pump. And from what I hear, the job is quite easy, so we're going to make fun. Also, while off air, I've gained the ability to jack up the car, remove a wheel, remove a plastic cover, and all in 1 second. Let me show you. Ta-da! So this is the problem that I found. You see here the water pump, and I think it's leaking a little bit because you can see all this pink stuff here. And as you know, a small leak will become a big leak, so I'm going to replace it. So I think it's just a matter of belt off and get this pulley off and then get to these bolts here. I think when this pulley is off it's quite accessible, so yeah, let's do that. Okay, so in order to take this belt off we need to loosen up this bolt here and this one, and then we can quite easily take the belt off. I think I may have tightened it down a little bit too much last time. Now let's loosen up these bolts. Yeah. Okay, that's loose. Woo. Yeah, all three of them came out, luckily. Well, how to take this pulley off? There we go. And now it's only these bolts. There's movement. Ow, that hurt. Water is already dripping. Fortunately I have these buckets to catch it. By the way, I think actually only the gasket was leaking. But I'm not really sure how old this water pump is or was. By the looks of it, it has been replaced once, or maybe twice, or maybe 3 times, I don't know. But to be sure, I think I'm just going to replace the whole water pump. Unless this one looks a lot better than the new one I bought. Then maybe we can reuse this one. It wasn't making any weird noises, so I think it was fine. Let's see if we can remove this water pump now. Oh, we can. Okay. Oh no! Catastrophe has befallen me! No! The water! Oh no! Oh, sorry Greenpeace. I'm so sorry. I tried so hard and got so far. And there comes the water pump. It's made of metal, fortunately. Yeah, so let's remove the old gasket from the engine. Clean it up. So I've cleaned this area here from old gasket. That was a success. Used some sandpaper as well. And while we're at it, I thought it would be nice to get the cover of the timing belt off to assess this belt, because there's virtually no information on this car. So just checking. And by the looks of it, well, that pulley over there is very rusty. That's probably never been switched out, but the belt itself looks quite good by the looks of it. Yeah, I do want to replace it because, as I said, I have no idea how old it is, but it looks quite nice to me. The cover is back on. This is clean, so I think we need to reinstall it. So there's a new pump. It comes with a gasket. Just put it on there. Alright, so the Haynes says refitting is a reversal of removal by using new gasket, yes. Tighten the bolts evenly in diagonal sequence to the specified torque. And the specified torque is water pump 13 Newton meters. Okay, so I will try to use the right torque setting, but I'm not sure if I can reach all of the bolts so with the tool that I have, so I'm gonna try. Yeah, you see it's a bit hard to reach the bolts. Maybe if I use an extension bit. Yeah, 13. Yeah, how to do that? Yeah, I cannot reach that. What about that one? No, impossible. Yeah, as it turns out, it's quite hard to do this. I'm just going to tighten them down as good as I can. Well, that seems to be in. I triple checked all the bolts, none of them are loose anymore. I had to tighten them by hand in the end, just couldn't get the torque wrench in there, so yeah, I hope that's enough. Drink, car, drink! Let's check if we have any leaks here. So far so good. Alright, so I waited a good 15 seconds. No leaks appear, so I think I'm going to put the pulley back on. This was a little bit tricky to... Oh. Now I seem to have lost the third bolt. Well, that's back on. Now let's put the belt back on. Let's see if I can still remember how to do that. Something like this. Is it all looking fine from this side? Yeah, I think so. Okay, let's retighten this. I forgot to mark where it was located before. Okay, that might be a little bit too tight. Well, maybe it's fine. Okay. Well, let's see if it runs. Seem to be leaking yet? Well, okay, all is fine as it seems, so I think that concludes our video. Thank you very much for watching. There's a lot of more cool stuff coming up. I will see you next time. Bye bye.